Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my mommy's YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna solve Rubik's Cube. My daddy is expert, knows how to play Rubik's Cube. You know how to play Rubik's Cube? Look, this is the Rubik's Cube. Okay, watch me solve this again. Just wait. Okay. This is my Rubik's Cube, and it's the best. Okay, bye-bye. Right here, right? First, I need to stand this up. And there's a blue here and a blue there. No, we need to, wait, guys. There's a red and red there. I'm gonna put that right there. And a yellow there. Spin that again. And Rubik's Cube solved. Next Rubik's Cube. Part 2. Right there, right? First, I need to spin like that. And there's white, blue and a blue there. I'm gonna spin it again. Red and red there. I'm gonna spin it again. This next Rubik's Cube. So, next, part 3.
Pugihan lang si Ashley magpunta.
Blue here. I'm gonna stand it up. And there's yellow there. Put it back. And there's a green and green there. And that is you. Thank you for watching. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you on the next video. Peace out.